Okay, say you have a method that you want to be triggered, not at the beginning, not at the end, but at a very specific moment in time during an animation. So I made this 1 second animation here. If you want to do something at the beginning, you can use events in the animator to trigger it. The same thing at the end. But what if you want something to happen right here, for example? So, okay, just let me show you the animation. The animation is just the movement here. And I added the animator and this animation trigger class here. That is devoid of anything but the method that is going to be triggered. So what you can do is add an event. Now we drag it here, and we have this animation event here that we can pass the class itself and a couple possible parameters. You can see this is kind of sketchy. Not gonna lie, it is sketchy. Just to be sure about the name. And let's see. See? Easy. Just bear in mind the class that you drag there to the event needs to be on the object that is being animated. If you remove this, you start to get a no receiver error. Okay, that is it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.